Welcome to a new video of your Aslo Easy channel. In this video, we are going to make a wonderful washing machine soap especially suitable for colored clothes and black clothes. It is a homemade soap, very easy to make and very economical. As utensils, we will use a mixer that you have at home and any container to make the mixture. As first ingredient, we will use natural soap, about 200 grams. Better if you buy it in flakes. If not, you will have to grate it yourselves with a knife, a grater or a grinder. We will use ammonia. The ammonia can be perfumed, but without detergent, 200 milliliters will be enough. And why do we use ammonia? Well, ammonia has many properties that you can see in the list that is good for our laundry. As last, we will use 1.5 liters of water. This will give us about 2 liters of soap. Let's start. In our utensil that we have chosen, we will pour the 200 grams of natural soap, the ammonia, and half of the water. Now we begin to whisk. You will see that the mixture at first is very liquid, which will gradually thicken. As it thickens, we will have to add the remaining water in 2 or 3 more batches. In this channel, we have another video of how to make very cheap homemade soap with baking soda base. We leave the link up here, and if not, at the end of the video, you will have a screenshot. Because ammonia can release toxic gases, before using it, you have to make a recommendation that we will show you when the time comes. When we stop seeing these little lumps that are small pieces of soap, it will mean that the mixture is ready. Until then, we continue whisking. Once everything is totally mixed and dissolved, we have to pack it. We use this recycled bottle and this recycled funnel as well. As easy as pouring it through the funnel, we will have approximately 2 liters of soap that, if you have done the math, you will get very economical. And now a very important step, we have to wait 4 hours before covering the container. In this way, the ammonia gases will evaporate. And after that time, it is ready to use. You can use it as a normal soap. Hopefully you liked the video here. We leave you some final screens with videos of your interest. Please, if you liked it and you know someone, share, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And from your Aslo Easy channel, we thank you until the next video.